everyone, so today we're gonna be making some hot choco using this Choco Bomb. My first time trying to do like a vlog in my life, so let's open. So this is from chocolate bars, and it's homemade with love, and it comes in a little ball, a little tag. There you go. So we are going to remove this. Okay, and then I have this cute little bear cup. I don't think you see how bear-like it is, but bear cup. There you go. So bear cup and a choco ball, and then you just have to open it. It's a ball. Yeah, open the ball. And then you put the ball in, or wait. So it's adorable. So it comes in the case, and it's a ball bomb, so I put it in there. See the bear. There you go. And then we need hot milk. So my hot milk is in here. I'm just gonna dip a little bit of it. So, ta-da! And you have hot chocolate.